everybody, thanks for joining me on another tutorial for IBreatheIDIY. I'm Betsy. Spring and fall are perfect time to divide your perennials. Today we're dividing daylilies, and you can do the same with all kinds of plants. They're easy to divide. For many perennial flowers, that's how you get more plants. Daylilies don't usually produce seeds, but even if they do, they can get cross-pollinated pretty easily, and it probably won't have true traits of the parent plants. That's how new varieties are made, and they can be pretty amazing. Daylilies are very easy to divide and actually look better if you divide them every few years. By doing this, it'll give you more plants to spread around your yard or to share. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and share this with anyone who could use it. Perennials are not usually propagated by taking a cutting and putting them in water like tropical houseplants are. Most of them need to be divided in the roots to make a clone of the plant. It's really easy. Daylilies, meadow sages, lamb's ear, yarrow, bee balm, and more are divided like this. As a general rule, however large the plant is that you can see on the top, it's probably got a similarly sized root system underneath the ground. Well-established plants can have massive roots. Dig the roots out with a shovel or pitchfork carefully, digging all the way around so that you don't break off the roots. If you break some, it's all right. Clean the roots of dirt just enough so that you can see them well to be able to cut them in half. If you were to buy a bare root plant, this is how it would come to you, with all of the soil washed off of the roots. I gently pulled apart the roots pretty easily, but if I hadn't been able to coax them apart, I would have used a knife or shovel and cut the whole root ball in half. It really is that easy. Make sure that any foliage has plenty of roots to support the new plant. Many of them can be divided several times, just as I did here. Plant your new plants in the garden with a little compost that'll break down all year long. You can also plant your divided perennials in pots and give them away. Just give them a little bit of water and you're done. Just like with any other plant, keep them watered until they're established and you have a whole new garden plant. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on IBreatheIDIY. I'm Betsy. Please click subscribe, like, and share this with anyone you think could use it. Bye!